Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Xcover 2, and today I will show you how to change date and time settings. So, jumping straight to it, what you want to do is open up the settings app, and from here scroll all the way down to date and time, which is right here as you can see. So you can tap on it, and then you have a couple options. You can change the basically time and date from being automatic to manual. If you check that off, you can then change it and select your desired date and then set the time as well. And you can also change the automatic time zone. So if you turn that off, you can do the same thing to change your time zone to a different one. And you also have an option for 24 or 12-hour clock and date format. So here you can change which is first, day or month, and or year as well. And you select it. I think if you pull it down, I guess it doesn't really change much, but you have an option here. I'm just gonna keep everything automatic because it's doing a fairly good job at it. So yeah, but that's basically how you can change the settings here. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.